What's going on? Today we're installing the 3-piece carbon fiber interior trim kit for the C8 Corvette from c8trims.com. And these already have the double-sided 3M tape applied to the back of it. It's very thin. All you have to do is wipe down the interior with the alcohol wipe, which they already include too, and you stick these on, you're good to go. So let's get right into it. All right, so we're gonna start with the smallest piece first, which is actually on the driver's side. And they recommend that you kind of just put it up to there just to get an idea where it's going to go. And as you can see, that's going to look fantastic next to the stock carbon fiber up there. So yeah, we're going to take this off. Go ahead, and here's the little bag they include with a couple cleaning wipes, alcohol cleaning wipes. That way you can wipe it down. There's even an extra patch of 3M double-sided tape in case you need to use it. And you're going to wipe this good. You want to make sure that this is debris and oil free so that your 3M can stick to it. And also another thing is, if you want, you can, before you take off the white protective layer, you can go ahead and push down if you see any spots lifting. This one's fine though. So now that we got the protective layer off, we're going to go ahead and actually install it, just like we did when we were sticking it on there to test. And I'm going to grab my little interior duster towel just so I can safely push it on there with some extra force. So next we have this piece that goes under the infotainment display. So just like before, I'm going to stick this on, get an idea of where it goes. And yeah, it looks good. So go ahead and wipe this one down. Again, I'm gonna press it down with my towel here, and then we'll move on to the last one. All right, so the final and largest piece goes on the passenger side. And for this one, I think you want to try and get this corner towards the center. So just try and get this corner over here in first, and then kind of guide it along the way as you're sticking it on. And then also for this one, since it's the longest piece, I'm definitely just gonna double check that the inner part of the double-sided tape is pressed firmly against the carbon so that it's as strong of a hold as possible. Nice and tucked in there. Kind of guide it along the way for the rest. So that's it. We're fully installed. All right, so that's going to be it for this one. I do wish that the stock interior carbon fiber package already came with those pieces like that, but it is a quick fix with the carbon fiber overlays from c8trims.com. So until next time, peace.